Hello, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maida, and you're watching Maida Pours. Thank you so much for joining me today. If it's your first time here, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, well, welcome back. So happy to see you again. So for today's pour, I'm going to be doing a largish 20 by 20 canvas Starburst Dutch pour. I have a pretty big palette here now that I'm looking at it. I might have gotten a little carried away, we'll see. I am using this Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White paint here for my base coat. I do have a new filming setup and I'm getting used to it, so apologies if this is a little weird. Okay, so we've got Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. These are all mixed differently because I have a bunch of different types of paints here, but I did just film a video that I think may have already been uploaded or maybe uploaded directly after this one that goes over how I mix my paints. I will go ahead and link it somewhere over here if you want to see how I mixed these types of paints up. For now, we're just going to go over the palette. So I've got Carbon Black by Golden Fluid here, Golden Fluid Acrylic. Mixed very thin. These are all mixed very thin because I'm doing a Dutch pour. Then I've got Golden Fluid Acrylic Iridescent Silver right here. I haven't used this color in a while, so I thought I'd mix them up because most of my palette is blue and I think silver and blue are pretty. Next up here, I've got Golden Maganese Blue Hue. This is a very bright blue. Haven't used that in a while either. Next up, I've got the Folk Art Treasure Gold Aquamarine Metallic. I also love this color, one of my favorite colors right there. Next up, I've got Liquitex Professional Prussian Blue Hue. Right there. Then I've got Golden Fluid Acrylic Iridescent Pearl Fine. Right there. Then we've got my favorite, my standard, my Golden Fluid Acrylic Paynes Gray. If you watch me regularly, you probably figured out I love this color, use it all the time. Right there. Next up, I've got this Decoart Americana Decoart Metallic Copper. It's kind of hard to read because that's covered in paint, but that's okay. Got this all mixed up. Also, I love copper with blue, so instead of gold, I decided to go with copper today. And last but not least, I've got this Artist Loft kind of basic paint in light blue. So, also mixed quite thin for the Dutch pour. All right, so that is my palette. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all out of the way and we're gonna bring out the canvas. Let's go. Okay, I've got the canvas totally flooded. I do have my blow dryer right here. This is just a regular like Conair, like nothing fancy, but this attachment is important. You want to have that. I also have a straw, just a normal like drinking straw. And then I also have this amazing tool that I got from a YouTuber by her channel name is Heart Acrylics. Her name is Kim, and I got this off of her Etsy shop after seeing her use it in one of her pours. I'll go ahead and link her channel in this description. I highly recommend you check her channel out. I think she's a really talented artist, and I also think that this tool is just genius. So you can see it's like a straw, right? but then the end of it is flat the way that like the blow dryer attachment is. So really excited to try this out. I'm gonna blow it out with the blow dryer, but any like small areas I want to kind of touch up, I'm gonna use this and see how it works. So those are my tools. Getting this little, I don't know what that is, getting it out. Just make sure you get the schmutz when you see the schmutz. I'm finding lots of schmutz. Getting it out. Okay. And I'm going to start with my Paynes gray. The center is going to be black, but I want it to kind of be darker on the outs. Well, it's going to be dark blowing out, but then I am going to have the darker parts out working light. We'll see how it works out. We'll see how it works out. So I don't want to use too much paint, but you know, I want to get enough going to create some cool starburst effects here. Okay, so I like this because I like how it's like flowing over the sides, but you do still have a little bit of like white around it. That I am pleased with. Can you see it? I don't want to tilt it too much, but look, isn't that pretty? Okay, so I tilted it, but that's okay. I wanted to show you. I'm definitely still working on getting my new filming space kind of situated to be able to get you guys the best angles and camera. I am kind of working on trying to get an overhead setup going on. Eventually, we'll see how I do with that. I am going to bring you in for a close-up to show you all this cool stuff that's happening. I'm gonna go ahead and torch, mostly to get bubbles out, but you know, I might activate some paint in there while I torch it. We'll see. I'm a big fan of the torch. There's definitely, it almost feels like there's stuff like popping up in there. I don't know if that's gonna, I don't know. But for now, we're gonna call this done. And I am gonna go ahead and bring you in for a close-up, probably in about 15 minutes or so, just so we can really see how this all develops. But thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Please do hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. It helps out YouTubers so much. And if you enjoy acrylic paint pouring videos, well, please consider subscribing because that's what we do here. So again, thanks so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Okay, here we go. So I am actually really liking this painting. I like the center, like the white cells that I'm assuming came in from like the base coat underneath. I like that effect. All of these colors just blend beautifully together with the pops of copper down in here. I didn't want to use too much copper because I know it will really kind of take over, but I like these little accents of it with the blue. Lots of cool just inside here, lots of cool cells and effects. It's really just quite lovely. So not exactly how I thought it was going to come out, but hey, when is it? But I'm very happy with this. I'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.